Let's make a ham and cheese puff. Get some bread. Bread. And then pinch. How many? How many? 4 rolls of bread. Everybody stop! Ham time! 4 pieces. Cheese me up! How much? 4 pieces and cut the cheese. Now, let's roll the ham and cheese together. Roll the ham, roll the cheese. Cut. We need 8 of them. Now what? In the bread. Now, let's sprinkle the crumbs. Crumbs, sprinkle. More cheese! Mozzarella! Can I eat it now? No. Now it goes in the oven. Bake. Ham and cheese puffs go in the oven. Wow, these are so yummy. Great job, everyone. I will see you next time.